In today's video, I will walk you through how to find new music on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. On desktop, click Browse near the search bar at the top. This will take you to Spotify's Discovery area, where you can explore different categories of music. You will see a grid of categories to choose from. These include genres such as hip-hop, K-pop, or chill. You may also see mood-based collections, such as workout or focus, along with featured sections like new releases and charts. Choose a category that matches what you want to listen to and select it. After opening a category, you will see a selection of playlists and albums. Browse through the available options and look for something that catches your attention. If you choose a playlist, you can explore a collection of songs grouped around a particular theme, sound, or style. If you choose an album, you can listen to a collection of tracks from a single artist. Open the playlist or album you want to explore. Take a moment to look at the description, cover art, and track list. When you're ready, press play and listen to a few songs. You can skip through different tracks to get a sense of the music and decide whether it matches what you're looking for. If you're exploring the new releases section, browse through the available playlists and albums and play the music that interests you. If you're exploring charts, select a playlist or album and listen through the tracks that catch your attention. Continue exploring within the category by moving between different playlists and albums. If one selection is not what you're looking for, go back and choose another option from the same category. You can also return to the main discovery area and select a different category. Browse through genres if you want to explore a particular style of music. Choose a mood-based collection when you want music that fits a certain feeling, or explore new releases and charts to see the available selections in those sections. Each category contains different playlists and albums, so continue opening the options that stand out to you. Check the descriptions, cover art, and track lists, then press play to sample the music. To find new music on Spotify, start by using Search on mobile or Browse on desktop. Choose a category, then explore the playlists and albums available inside it. Play a few tracks, move between different selections, and continue browsing until you find music you want to hear. Thank you for watching.